The first essay we are going to write in English 111 this summer is called Cause and Effect. So let's start by understanding what a cause and effect essay is. The definition can be broken down in this way. It is an essay which explains the relationship between either option A, one cause and the multiple effects of that situation, or option B, several causes that lead to one effect. Now, it is true that you can do both of these in one essay, but that would be a huge essay. And so for the purposes of our class, I'm going to ask you to choose either option A or option B. If you choose option A, you will take one cause, event, circumstance, or situation. All of these are synonyms for cause. And then you will figure out what are the effects of that cause, event, circumstance, or situation. Some people are not very comfortable with the word effects, so you may be more comfortable with the word consequences, outcomes, or results. That's option A. Other people may choose option B. They want to look at the multiple causes that lead to one effect. Remember that events, circumstances, and situations are synonyms for causes, and sometimes there are multiple reasons that something happens, some effect, some outcome, some result. So what is the purpose of a cause and effect essay? Overall, the effect is to inform the reader. And understanding cause and effect relationships is very useful, not just because we're going to write a paper about it, but also in professional and personal settings. Let's talk about the academic settings first. Some of you are on some of you are on academic paths that are focused on STEM-based classes, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Over and over in these classes, students are asked to find the relationship between a cause and its effects, but other classes as well. I'm thinking of psychology. I'm thinking of history. Why did something happen? That's a cause and effect relationship. So there are many academic settings that this may apply to. In professional settings, in your career, in your job, often you will be asked to try to find the answer for why something happens or why something's not happening. So learning how to understand and use cause and effect reasoning will help you in your job, both the one you have now and the one you're preparing yourself for. And my favorite personal settings, understanding cause and effect reasoning will help you understand patterns in your life. If something keeps happening over and over, why is that? Or if it's not happening, why is that? Also, predicting the outcomes of personal decisions is a powerful tool that cause and effect reasoning can give you. So who is our audience in a cause and effect essay? You need to ask yourself, who needs the information in this topic? And it's a great idea in the early stages to list multiple possible audiences in the planning stages, because you may see an audience as you start listing that you go, oh, that's who I want to point my paper toward. I gave you an example, a couple of examples actually. The first one is, let's say your topic is the Peace Corps. You ask yourself, who needs information about the Peace Corps? And you might come up with the possible audience of college juniors and seniors who are considering what their next step is. They want to know what to expect if they join the Peace Corps. So the cause, joining the Peace Corps. The effects, what happens after joining the Peace Corps. Another possible topic is quitting a job. Some possible audiences are those who are considering quitting their job. They want to know what to expect if they quit. Another possible audience is human resource directors or staff. They want to know why employees quit. In the first case, those who are considering quitting their jobs, that would be one cause, quitting their job, and they want to know the multiple effects, the multiple results if they make that choice. One cause, several results. In the second situation, the human resource directors or staff want to know why employees quit. That's multiple causes. Employees quitting is the one result. So those are the two different ways to organize this paper. What about tone? Reminder, tone is the writer's feelings about the topic. Tone is communicated through vocabulary choices, sentence structure, and the type of examples included. For example, if your audience is people who are quitting their jobs, you're going to have one set of vocabulary, sentence structure, and examples, while if your topic is quitting a job and your audience is the human resource directors or staff, you're going to have different vocabulary, sentence structure, and examples for that audience. In this paper, our goal is to have an objective tone. Objective means unemotional, balanced, unbiased, and unemotional. So that is the tone we will be going for. That means that you are going to stay away from speaking to the reader directly. You will not use you pronouns. That includes you, your, yours, yourself. Stay away from those pronouns. Also, stay away from I, me, my, myself, unless you're giving a personal example to back up a point that you made. So what are the next steps in your cause and effect essay? Please see this week's folder for more information on how to pick the best topic for your essay.